guys, here goes my rollers. I'm just getting started, so I got these as a gift from one of my guys. Start me up. Real good birds. I don't know much about birds, but he said something about South African and Mason blood, so give me 4 pairs. The warfare is not fully complete yet, but I'll take you to the other side where I got the homers. Right. Like I said, I don't know much about birds, but I like them. So I got these as a gift from one of my other guys that races. Something about Klein birds or something. These birds are bred off of Money's Loft and bred off of Yeah Yang. Shout out to G for these birds. Skipper's Loft. But it works out, you know. And here's when you go outside. I don't know what you're supposed to call that, but I'm a newbie, don't mind me. And shout out to Chew for these rollers, my man. So this is what it is. Divided into 2. One side for rollers, one side for my homers. I will update more once I get more birds. Yeah. Thanks for watching. This is Team Shaman, Hero Tribe Loft. I'll keep you guys updated.